Hello guys, welcome back to price action trading on Bank Nifty. Here we will try to identify what hint does the Bank Nifty index give us to tell us whether it's going to be a trading range day or a sideways day or a trending day. Now what I do is, not just me but most of the traders, what they do is they divide the trade into three sessions: the opening session, the middle session and the closing session of roughly 2 hours each. So let's do the same. We will take these horizontal lines starting at 9:15, then at around 11:15 we have the second line. So this is the first session of the day. Then we have the middle session of the day ending at 1:15. So first session, second session, and the last session of the day is at 3:30. So we have the three sessions of the day, and we have just one moving average indicator, the 20 period moving average. Now how do we tell at 11:15 whether the rest of the day is going to be a trending day or a range bound day? So what we will do is, during this first 2 hours of trading, we will see how and where the price action is vis-a-vis the range of the first 2 hours of trading. Now the price opened up here at the highest point of the price in the first session was here, and the lowest it went was up till this point. Now we can also draw, and we can see there is a range of 365 points. We can also draw a parallel line and extend it and see what the price action is at 11:15. So at 11:15 or 11:20 we can see that the price is between the upper and the lower boundary of the first session, and the very important rule is it is near the moving average. If both of these conditions are met, that the price has to be within this range and near the moving average, we can assume with a high level of probability that the rest of the trading day will be a sideways trading day. Now let's see if anybody would have drawn this upper and lower channels, parallel channels at 11:15, how we would have fared. And once we can assume that the price is going to be in a sideways movement, we will not look for big target trades. We will only look for scalp trades. That means whenever the price is going towards the upper boundary, it will come towards the lower boundary, and whenever it is towards the lower boundary, it will go towards the upper boundary. So let's see how the price would have acted today. We will go one bar by one bar. So you can see, even for the next 1 hour, the price stayed flat, tried to go up, failed, tried to go down, failed exactly at this low. This bar would have fooled a lot of people that we may see a continuation, but there is a high level of probability that it's just a fake move and the price may revert. So anybody would have taken just a scalp trade here, not a trade in the downward side. And also we are on an uptrend, so any downward movement without any break of a significant trend line is unadvisable for any counter trend trade. So it should have been just a scalp trade. And we can see the next bar reversed again. It did not even breach the low of this bar. So the second session almost was in the range of the first session. Now let's see what happened to the rest of the day. Again we are reaching the moving average. We are trying to fight the moving average and win over it. The price tries to go up, then comes down, and just for the whole day it again stayed in the sideways range only. So only trades could have been just scalp trades for today. So just to summarize, at the end of 11:15 we draw a parallel channel from the high of the price to the low of the price of the first 2 hours of trading, and then if the price at the end at 11:15 is within this range and it is near the moving average, that means the next of the day can be expected to be a sideways day. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer. Thanks. Bye.